So if-then statements in Roblox scripting are actually used pretty commonly and pretty widely, and I use them very often myself. So I'm going to be going over exactly what they are and a good example on how to use them. So basically, an if statement is saying if a certain condition is met, then execute whatever code's within. And in this example, we're going to have a variable that is our money, and we're going to have 200 of it. So in this first example, I say if money is equal to 200, then we're going to say the player has enough money. Else, if the money is not equal to 200, we'll say the player does not have enough money. However, this does not account for if the player has more than 200, because if they have 201, it makes this if statement false, so it'll go into the else statement and instead print that we do not have enough money, even if we have over 200. So we can be more specific. We can say if money is greater than or equal to 200, so if we have 200 or over, it will say that I have enough money. Otherwise, it'll go into the else statement and say that I do not have enough money. Now, another example would be saying if my money is less than 200, I can instead print that I do not have enough money. Otherwise, if I have more than 200, it will assume I have I have enough money, and it will print that I have enough money. Now, we can actually combine the example of having more than 200 and having less than 200 into one big if statement using else if, which is basically just another if statement within another if statement. So here you can see it says if my money is greater than or equal to 200, it will say I have enough. Else, if my money is less than 200, then it will say I do not have enough. And of course, last but not least, another example I like to always include is that this little tilde symbol. Basically, what this is saying is if my money does not equal 200, then it will say that I do not have 200 money. So yeah, that's an if-then statements in a nutshell. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if I helped. And join the Discord if you have any questions on Roblox scripting or you want to get some one-on-one lessons and learn that way or request tutorials. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.